Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Claudie Cooks in the Kitchen. Today we are going to make a jerk marinade, right? We love jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk fish, jerk whatever we can jerk. So why not show you how I make one of my jerk seasoning? All of the ingredients used in this video today will be listed in the link below for you. And I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed with this because you can chuck it on anything you're cooking. It's going to add some flavor explosion on your dish and make it taste 10 times better. Let's go make this delicious marinade that's full of flavor and spice. Let's go. Okay, I've got one large onion and I've cut them, as you can see, in quarters. And I've got a large thumb piece of ginger here. I'm just going to cut that. And I've got a bunch spring onion that I've washed and cut. I've got about 10 cloves of garlic here. And I've got a bunch of thyme that we're just going to cut. This is smelling so good. I love the flavor of thyme. Okay, there's another piece of onion there. And I've got in here 3 small Scotch bonnet, and I've removed the seeds and the membrane as well. I've got 2 sticks of cinnamon, but you can use the powdered cinnamon. I've got some whole pimento seeds here. I've got 2 star anise, optional, and I've got some Szechuan peppercorn there, tablespoon of sugar, and I've also added some clove. Time for some nutmeg. I want to put about 1.5 teaspoons. Wow, that nutmeg is popping in flavors. And I'm going to use 1 whole lime, and I'm going to use a piece of orange. Squeeze the orange. 1/2 cup white vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil or oil of your choice. We're using some dark soy sauce, and we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons. Time for some browning, and that's one of the ingredients that gives it this nice dark flavor along with the soy sauce, but traditionally it's the browning. I want to get a hit of smokiness into this jerk marinade, so I'm adding a bit of liquid smoke, just a drop. And I'm also going to use about 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. And I've got the whole spice in there, but it's just different layers there, so the fresh one and the powdered one, and I'm using some salt and black pepper. Enough salt and black pepper to taste. Right, I'm going to turn this on now, but I'm going to do it off camera because it's going to be a bit too loud. I don't think that's very pleasant to listen to, so I'm going to blitz it, then I'll be back. Right, just a tip, something I forgot to do, to put all the hard spices into my grinder. I completely forgot to do that, so I had to really blend this for a good 10 minutes. But yeah, just a tip, grind your spices first, the one that aren't powdered, okay? So now this is what we've got. Look at that. It smells absolutely amazing. I taste it and it is tasting really good. Okay, we're going to put it in the bottle now, and you can keep it in your fridge for up to 2 weeks, or you can freeze it and then use it whenever you want to. Right, look at this. It's looking really good, really nice and rich and dark in color. It's really nice, but it has got a bit of a kick to it, right? So you may want to just use one Scotch bonnet. Let's bottle it up. And there you have it, guys, my Jamaican jerk marinade. Go spice up your food and spice up your life. Enjoy.
Claudia Cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.